Okay, I'm back vlogging in my yard. Hopefully you can see this. I'm basically just going through like a passageway. This is my yard. Might have seen it once or twice. I'm not sure. No. Snow just got. Snow just got my shoe. Okay, my grandfather's car. We had to have a guy come in and do this so we can get out. What? Some sort of animal. Okay. I almost just slipped and fell on ice. Okay, I gotta walk like a penguin. So, right now I'm on my street, Bedford. I'm just gonna be able to send all my Cinder kids, because if it ain't, I'm gonna be mad. This is basically just like a sidewalk. One of our schools closed tomorrow. The school, you can get in it, because there's so much goddamn snow here. But there's definitely some sort of animal, because God forbid I tried walking on that and I got stuck the second I went in. I got stuck like a fish that went on land and cannot get back out. It's my house. Here's that snowdrift. Okay. So I have to turn. I've been walking on the street for a minute now. This is my grandfather's side. Okay, this is where I wait for the bus. Just drive. Okay, I have to reset this, so bye.